Hello po. Hello everybody. Kung sa Pilipinas may bagyo, dito naman here in Minnesota, there's a snowstorm. I'm eating candy. Yeah, this is in Minnesota. It's blizzard. It's very dangerous to drive on a snowy, stormy snowstorm blizzard. If you live here in Minnesota, drive safely. Very, very, very careful, please. It's already like 4 inches, 4 or 5 inches deep of snow. Grabe. Ang lamig, grabe. Kung may bagyo sa Pilipinas, dito naman may blizzard sa Minnesota. Ingat po kayo lahat sa pagdadrive. Merry Christmas all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my video. Peace, love, and unity in the whole world. Keep praying. Hopefully there's no accidents, but usually there's always accidents when the weather is like this, when it's very bad. Yeah, pray for everybody. Pray for everybody's safety. Take care. God bless us all and Merry Christmas. Happy birthday, Jesus.